Now, as we continue to talk about electric vehicles, the first all-electric Ford F-150 Lightning has come off the assembly line. Automotive expert Mike Caudill is live in Dearborn with more. Hey, Mike.
Hey, good morning, guys. I thought I had a world exclusive for you with just showing off the vehicle coming off the assembly line, but we're late to coming on air with you guys, and this is like actually real-time breaking. We lost all power to the facility. The whole facility has been down for about 10 minutes. We were on with you getting ready to go live and went dark. I got to bring you guys over. We are powering this live news segment, and I think this is probably a first to you guys in Youngstown. We are powering out of the back of this truck right here, and I'm going to get out of the way and let my cameraman in. We're powering our cameras, my mics, everything from the F-150 Lightning. I wish I was making this up, but I'm not. So I'm here at the Rouge Assembly Plant in Dearborn, Michigan, where they're rolling off the first ever assembly truck of the F-150 Lightning. They had 200,000 pre-orders from this, and one of the biggest topics they talked about from the actual vehicle itself is that you can power your house for up to 3 days. Never in my wildest dreams did I think I would be at the facility, lose all power, and now be in front of you guys with 3 cameras being powered and my mic equipment by this truck. So I got to take a breath for a second, calm my jets, because this is a super cool thing, right? This is what we're talking about with electric vehicles in the market. The fact that they are not only electric, but that they're all about performance. This thing's going to tow 10,000 pounds. It's going to go 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. You'll get 320 miles of range out of it. But to think that I just went to the back of this truck and I went into panic mode, the crew's like, use the truck. And we ended up using the truck to bring you guys this live segment. Bill Ford's going to be out here in about an hour with Jim Farley, the president of Ford Motor Company. And they're going to talk about this being the Model T moment for Ford Motor Company, where, right, as you can see right here, these vehicles are actually getting powered up right now, and they're going to roll off the assembly line, and they're going to put on pickup trucks, big diesels and trains, and they're going to be shipped around the country, arriving in dealerships, guys, here in the next few weeks. $30,000. About $33,000 with federal tax rebate, under $40,000 for the white one. This is the platinum edition right here. This is going to be fully loaded. You're going to be looking at $60,000, $70,000, $80,000 for it right here, depending on how you have it equipped. But again, you want to talk about a testament to modern technology. I can now see in the midst of a storm that takes down power, you're going to be able to use some of these trucks to keep things moving with Ford's Pro Power Plus inside. Guys, I didn't imagine this was going to be my segment for you today. I was going to go on about sustainability and how they built this place. Instead, I've got a truck that just powered our live news segment, a first ever, and you guys are getting it.
Mike, I am beyond impressed. Now, an unfortunate situation out there, but for as low as $30,000, you get a home generator, a vehicle, and you can, keep your cameras and equipment going. I think we need those as station vehicles now.
Yeah, no doubt about it. I mean, talk about modern technology. It's not just electric, and Ford Motor Company is going to be the benefactor of the... We're still with no power here. I mean, there's emergency crews running around trying to figure out what's going on, and we're on live television. I mean, as they say, you never expect anything live television, man.
That's right. Thank God for that electric vehicle. I feel like I need one now. Thank you so much, Mike.
Thanks, guys.
That's remarkable. What a great way to sell that truck.